Unmute பண்ணிடுமா? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
I can hear you. Can you?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to hear you.
Tell me, ma. சொல்லுமா. Tell me what you want.
Ma'am, for students who are not able to understand English, means we can talk, we can teach them in local language. No, you are telling no. In that way, we have to communicate in both the English and the local language, or until they understand that. Because most of the children will not able to capture that.
You tell me in Tamil. I will explain it in English. Because I couldn't catch. Tell me, ma.
இப்ப குழந்தைங்களுக்கு
என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னு சொன்னா, சிலவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேச முடியும், சிலவங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறதுக்கும் அத புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதும் முடியுது. ஆனா தமிழ்ல பேசணும்னு சொன்னா கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் ஈஸியா புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். அதனால நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறத கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்லயும் விளக்கினீங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப சுலபமா இருக்கும்னு அவங்க.
நோ நோ சார், நான் மேடம் சொல்லல, நான் கிளாஸ் நான் இஃப் ஐ ஆம் எ டீச்சர், நான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நான் எடுக்கும்போது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து இஃப் தே ஆர் நாட் ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இங்கிலீஷ், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற சமயத்துல நான் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு லோக்கல் லாங்குவேஜ் அவங்களுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி புரிய வச்சுட்டு அதுலயும் இங்கிலீஷ் செய்யணும்.
That's what you got me? You hear me? I have said one point. Suppose if there is a need that you cannot express it in if the child cannot understand your English, that time you can use the local language and you should not continue. You have to come back to English again. You tell the particular points in Tamil, again you repeat it in English. Then only it will reach the children. Otherwise they will learn only their local language, not English.
Okay.
You have to do two roles. You talk in local language, at the same time you talk the same thing in English. Then only this communication will be will not have a barrier. If you often use our local language, there will be a barrier. The children will learn mother tongue easily because you have given a clue, and that will be a barrier for them to progress in English language communication. Now it may be okay, but as they grow older, if they want to face, when they go to higher studies or job or any other field, they may feel uneasy to cope up with.
Yes, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Do I satisfy you? You
yes,
you can
okay.
give, but immediately you switch over to English. Don't stay there, because if we talk to them with their mother tongue, no, they'll be very, very happy. They will be continuing, but still we are in the position of teaching English communication. So not only speaking, written also. So now we are talking about both written and oral. Both we are talking. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am. To understand this, every time we have to ask the students whether you are able to understand or not, like that. If they are not understand, means we can tell them in local language.
Yeah.
Then again back. Okay.
Yeah, that's what. That is a good idea, ma.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, are you suggest any specific practice or book for good communication, ma'am?
For good communication, I have given so many suggestions. For good communication, I have given. I have told.
You told, ma'am. Yes. Specific. Any specific?
Is any specific? Now, what you are now? If you tell about your education level or your status, job level, then I can suggest you.
Presentation level.
Presentation only. No, you read lot of books, reference books. That's what I told you. No, to improve your language. I have given. You have to communicate only in English. Find a person who can communicate only in English. often visit a library, or often take a book and read. If you read, you will get a lot of things and you can easily present anything. So reading and talking with the people, those who can communicate well, and listen to the lectures. See, in our see this present class, if you listen, if in the beginning itself I don't understand because you are talking fully English, I cannot understand. That idea you remove it. What you have to do is, whoever is speaking in English, some area we may not understand, but overall we can understand. With that idea, we can come to a conclusion that he is talking only about this. So understand, word by word understanding is not very important. Overall understanding only very, very important. So yeah, according to you, reading a lot of books, talking to the person, listening to English speeches will help you a lot. Okay, ma?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, some people are very good in writing English and speaking, not speaking, reading
Yes,
and writing, but they are very much struggling when they are communicating. They are getting some fear in that. Then what is the way and how to bear that, barricade that fear? What is
barricade that fear? First, you must remove the fear. Fear is what? Low confidence.
Yes,
low confidence only makes us to be afraid of what these people will think, what those people will think, what he will comment, can I face them again? All that you have to just throw it away. You must think positively. Positive thinking. Whatever they are thinking, whatever they are talking, let them talk. So we have to boldly take a step. So that's what I said. First speak, then learn. First speak, whatever you know, with whatever vocabulary you know, you speak. Then gradually we will learn the right words, the right way of speaking, the right way of approaching, the right way of dealing. All that gradually it will come. It is not one day. So first remove the fear. Take a bold step to start speaking. That's what. First,
how to practice for this? How to
with the friends, with the friends, with the teachers. Teachers are very comfortable. Our own teachers, our own friends, our own colleagues, they won't mind your mistakes. They won't bother about your mistakes. And learned people will not mind about your mistakes. They will not even correct your mistakes. First, they will allow you to talk. After gaining confidence, you can correct yourself. Automatically, you can correct yourself. First, gain confidence to speak, right or wrong. Gain confidence. No, I will speak. This is what I know. With my own vocabulary, I will speak. So, after that, after you got confidence, see, fear makes you low confident. So, we have to make ourselves confident to speak it out, whether it is right or wrong. Let us not mind about it. Let us not bother about others' criticism. That is very, very important. Then after a certain period, we ourselves will know what mistakes we are doing. We ourselves will correct. If we are not, we will ask our friends or teachers to help us. So this is how we have to just take a step. It is not one day process. It is a psychological way of learning. You have to remove fear. It is related to our mind. So it should be removed. That fear should be removed. Boldness, self-confidence, that should be retained. We have to cultivate that. Anything else, ma? Is it enough for you?
Yeah, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
Okay. Even, ma, for you, specifically I told you, no, suppose if you get a chance, take a small topic. Take a small topic. In Manavala Kalayanda, they give you a chance. Take a small topic. Prepare for one page. Read. by heart it. Go and say it out. Like that, we practice once or twice. No, third time you will perform better. Without writing, you will go straight away and perform it. Like that, you can just practice it. And you prepare a joke and by heart it. Then you tell your friends or your children or your neighbors or your friends. And then like that, if you practice little time, no, then automatically you will start thinking and thinking in English and talking to yourself. And without preparation, you on the spot you can crack jokes and make everybody enjoy. Then suppose if you meet me at the first time, you can introduce you to me in English with your simple English. It need not have a sentence. Words. First speak in words, then speak in phrases, then speak in sentences. Sentences, it is not necessary. You should always speak only in sentences. It is not necessary. You can speak in words, you can speak in signs, you can speak in body language, anything you can speak. But the fear, basic fear should be removed. We have to try. Trial is the best way of practicing. That's what I would say. Okay, ma. Anybody else? Over.
Any other doubts? Ma'am, shall we wind up the session here, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow we'll see.
We will continue tomorrow at 11.
11. Okay.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your wonderful session. We thank on behalf of the Faculty of Yoga, Sciences and Therapy, Meher. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a good day.
வாழ்க வளம். Sridevi. Thank you, ma'am. Sridevi.
Yes, ma'am, I am online.
Tomorrow I'll try to present important points with the PowerPoint.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
These 3 sessions I'll give you a revision. Whatever we are learning, we'll learn it properly. So
yes, ma'am.
This may be life-oriented skill, ma. Life-oriented skill. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely required.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Thanks a lot,
ma'am. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
வாழ்க வளம்.
Thank you, madam. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, ma'am.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, ma'am. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, ma'am. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you.
வாழ்க வளமுடன், ma'am.
Thank you very much.